I'm Faisal Ghani and I'm the CEO and founder of SolarisKit. We're a clean tech company that's about 2 years old, based in Scotland in the United Kingdom. We've developed the world's first flat packable or self-assembled solar collector. It's a device which can be self-assembled in approximately 20 minutes without requiring a single tool and used to convert sunlight directly into heat in the form of hot water. We've developed the solution primarily to help decarbonize heat and provide an affordable clean energy source in the global south. So we're currently in Kigali, Rwanda, carrying out our first pilot trials in sub-Saharan Africa. So we received funding from Innovate UK to install a total of 5 systems. We're currently on site installing our 5th and final installation, so we can carry out initial testing, data gathering and feedback from our first customers. Around half the world's energy is actually consumed to meet heating demand, and most of that is still coming from fossil fuels. At the same time, the vast portion of Earth's population live in sunny, warm parts of the planet, like Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. But at the moment, solar energy is completely untapped. It's a source of energy that's not being utilized, forcing people to use electricity, which is very expensive, or very environmentally unfriendly solutions like charcoal or gas, which is obviously producing a lot of carbon emissions. So what we wanted to do at SolarisKit was develop a really affordable, practical solution that helps sunny climates like Africa harness its solar energy and turn it into hot water. So the SolarisKit solar collector is actually prismatic in shape. The reason why we opted for that design is because in equatorial countries like Rwanda, the sun is typically very high in the sky. So the prismatic shape makes itself really ideally suited for maximizing the amount of energy going towards a collector. But at the same time, as the sun moves across the sky, it's able to passively track that energy. So even if you position it on the ground or a flat roof, our solar collector is designed to be able to scavenge all of that solar energy. We also designed the solar collector so it's very safe to operate in a really sunny, warm climate like Africa. So with current solutions typically brought in from Europe and China, current solar thermal solutions will reach very dangerous temperatures up to almost 200 degrees Celsius. We've designed our solution so we'll heat water at no more than 70 degrees Celsius, making it a very safe alternative. We've also made it as simple as possible to install, so we've designed it so it's compatible with plastic piping and push-fit style components, just to make it really easy and practical to implement into Africa.
My name is Odakse, and I'm beneficiary of this SolarisKit, which have been installed to my house today, the solar water heater system. So now I think I will be enjoying the system because I'll be saving money, because I have been using like kettle just for heating water for my kids when in the morning when they are going to school. But today I'll be saving money. So I'll be saving the planet, because sometimes we use the gas or we use the pellets for heating the water. So now I'll be using the sun. So I'll be using zero flux. So I'm really happy to have this system at my house here.
So at the moment we are manufacturing the collector in Scotland, but our long-term view is to manufacture in Africa. We hope to come back to Rwanda in the coming months and just check up on all the systems, but so far it's all going really well.